Good morning. Sharing real life corporate stories of the world. In this story, I am going to share a chairman's excellent quality. Okay, I worked for a company for a long time and reporting to chairman directly. Chairman every day, reporting every day, not every minute reporting him. Okay, for around 6 years. The great quality of this chairman is whenever he travels, whenever he go other countries, he buys the books in the airport bookstalls or maybe in the train Higginbotham's. He buys very good books. He brings and gives to his manager to read and develop their knowledge. Excellent quality. In 6 7 years, maybe I got around 10 books from him. Outstanding books. He buys. He never see the cost. One book he bought for me is $210. The book is called Super Boss. He gives your managers to read and develop, and he explains about the book also. He normally reads the book on the way to the headquarters in the train or in the bus or in the flight. He explains to the managers what is there in the book and asks them to read. Excellent quality of a chairman I never see with any manager or any boss in my 28 years of career. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please share, comment and subscribe.